Self-service analytics in OAC. Data preparation involves cleansing, standardizing, and enriching your dataset before we analyze the data in the visualization canvas. Typical workflow to prepare the datasets for analysis involves applying enrichment recommendations, applying transform recommendations, changing the column properties, and editing the data preparation script. We can add the data by clicking the Create option on the top right corner and then clicking Dataset. Once we click the dataset, we can click on the Drop Data File for Click to Browse option to load the dataset. We can take advantage of augmented data preparation in OAC. We will have to open the dataset in the Prepare mode in OAC. In the Prepare mode, we will see the enrichment recommendations for each of the columns in the dataset. For example, we can see here we can extract the year or month from the date column. This helps us extract additional details from the single date column. We can also see some price suggestions for some of the text columns. For example, we can see for not full market price, we have got 18 enrichment options, like to enrich the full market price with country name. So we are building the preparation scripts on the side here. We can review the overall preparation script that has been created and then click on the Apply script to make the changes to the whole dataset that has been uploaded. In the Prepare tab, we can also see the properties area in the bottom left. There we can see the properties of each column. We can also view the formatted metadata to know about the underlying data types and the sample values. The data diagram is useful when we are working with multiple datasets in a project. In this data diagram, we can create the joins between the datasets. Data visualization. We will now navigate to the Visualize tab to visualize the dataset which we've just prepared. We can start by selecting the columns which we need to visualize and dragging them into the canvas. If we are not sure which type of visuals to use, we can use the Create Best Visualization feature in OAC by right-clicking on the column. Another important feature in OAC is the Explain option, which provides basic facts, key drivers, segments, and anomalies of the column. We can add the select graphs to the canvas through the Explain panel. Here we can see the property price by each county in Ireland. The total number of sales of property are highest in County Dublin. Storytelling. With Narrate, we can build a story about the data exploration by adding the insights. We can create the story by adding one or more canvases to the story. We can also annotate a story with insights by adding text and web links by clicking on the Add Note option. We can view the streamlined content by using the presentation mode to view a project and its visualizations. Sharing and collaboration. On the home page, click the menu icon and select Import Project Flow. In the Import Project Flow dialog, click the Select File and drag the project file onto the dialog. Then click Import. Create or open a project and save it to a shared folder. Grant roles to a shared project to enable users with the same roles to view or edit the projects as appropriate. On the home page, click Navigator and then click Catalog. Click Shared Folders and then navigate to a shared project. Hover over the project, click the Actions menu and then click Inspect. Click the Shared tab. Add or edit roles as appropriate. We can export a project or folder as an archive file, .dva. We can share the visualizations or stories in a file in a variety of formats such as DVA, PowerPoint, Adobe Acrobat, PNG or CSV. You can also access your content on a mobile device. To access your content such as analysis, projects and dashboards, use the browser on your mobile device.